Hello viewers, today for repair I have a Uniden analog telephone. This is model EXP371, and the only difference between this one and the 370 is just the color. The complaint with this telephone is that the handset does not connect to the base unit. So I've plugged the telephone in, I've put a new battery in there because it didn't come with one. And let's test it out. So we'll hit talk here and see what happens. And that looks like it is connected to the base unit normally. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but it seems like it's working okay. I'll do a power cycle here, so we'll turn everything off and let it sit for a minute, and I'll turn everything back on here. Okay, that should be good enough. Still works. Alright, so here's what I think has happened. This could very well be a user error. These telephones have a digital security code system, and the way it works is there's a code. It's like a 6-digit code or something like that, and it's shared between the base and the handset, and the code is used by the handset to connect to the base. So when you press the talk button on the handset and it begins to search for the base, it sends out that code for the base to receive. If that code is not set correctly, then the base will deny the connection of the handset, and therefore it will not connect to the base. Now, this telephone is quite dirty, and if you look at these contacts here, you'll see there's a notable amount of grime accumulated on there. If we can get a focus. Come on, focus. There we go. You'll see there is quite a bit of dirt on the contacts, and the reason that's significant is because the code resets when you put the handset in the base. Watch this light. You're going to see it flicker. Okay, so when it just flickered, then it was resetting the code. Now, if the contacts here, these contacts in the base unit and these contacts on the handset are not making a good connection, the code generally does not reset correctly. So the fact that these contacts are so dirty could cause the code to be out of synchronization, and therefore the telephone not connect correctly to the base. Now, the other thing that's notable is you do have to let it sit in there, when you first plug it in. So if you plug the telephone in and just expect to start talking right away, that's not going to work. Now, there is another way to reset the security code, and that is to press and hold this Find Handset button for 5 seconds. So I'm going to change the code right now. So I'll press this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the code should have been changed. We'll try to connect again. Oh boy, it's getting late. So I just changed a code on a phone that doesn't have any power to it. Oh boy. Alright. Let's try that one more time. Okay. So it's still working. So I do believe what's happened is the user could be experiencing problems with the telephone not connecting because of the fact that the contacts are so dirty. So I am going to clean these contacts, and then I'm going to say that this telephone is working. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.